Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to get free coins on Temu in 2025. This actually works, guys. I found a new tutorial for y'all. So let's get into it. So basically there's a site called zoomods.com. They have a bunch of different modded apps and stuff like that. But one of the things they got on this site is the Temu mod for free coins. So go to the search bar, type in Temu, and there it is. Now, before we can download this, we do have to do a little verification. We got to download two apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% free, and they're from the official App Store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process, show you exactly how to do it. But yes, it's pretty easy, so you guys should have no trouble at all. So let's just wait for it to download here, as you can see, and here we go. Please install two free apps. So there's going to be around 4 apps on this page. We got to download 2 of them. So just press tap to install. It'll bring you to the App Store and you just download the app. Now the reason that some people don't do well during this process is they forget that each app has its own instructions. So the golf game, reach level 10. Family Island, you got to reach level 10. TikTok, you got to run it for 30 seconds. So just do whatever you can, guys. It doesn't matter if the apps are different. But just make sure you read the instructions and you will get your free coins on Temu, guys. Super insane. I can just cash it out to PayPal right now, bro. This is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, if you're interested, be sure to go ahead and complete this verification. It's a one-time process, but some people don't do it correctly and then it never ends up working for them. So you got to make sure that you're actually downloading the apps and completing the instructions, and then you're going to get free coins on Temu. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.